Hello, this is your backyard. We're here to look at dandelions. You know it already. It's absolutely everywhere, all over the world. Much celebrated food and medicine. You know it because of the flower. This bright yellow flower over here. It looks like a sun. It's so yellow, it's so bright, it's unmistakable. And there's another point that you know already as well is the cocoa seeds. You haven't you been blowing this in the wind since you were kids? Just like that. Making wishes, telling the time of the day. There it is, dandelion. This is excellent food and excellent medicine. We eat it all over the world, from USA all the way to China. We eat the flowers, you eat the leaves, you eat the root. And it's very good for you. It's very rich in mineral, very rich in vitamins. Medicinally, it's used a lot to clean up your system because it cleans up everything. They call it the king of detox. Great way to identify this plant is the flower, the seed cloak, and the leaves. If you look at the leaves are shaped with very sharp edges. Can you see that? Dandelion, the name comes from French, dandelion. It means lion's tooth because the leaves, edges are shaped like little lion's teeth. Look at that. Wow! There you have it. Dandelions. Excellent food, excellent medicine, very good for your yard because it brings out the nutrients from the soil and makes them available to everything else. Check your yard, you have some yummy plants in it. Eat up your yard. Dandelions.